So, you want to learn about a business that you can make money 24 hours a day? Well, I might have just the option for you. So, today we're talking about eBay and more in particularly selling items on eBay. Now, eBay is a common place where you just go, you want to buy something at a really good price. You can click on it, enter the search button, and voila, you can buy the product. But on the other end, there are people selling those products. That's where you come in. An eBay selling business. Not only is eBay a place where you can buy stuff, you can actually sell it too. And that's how you make money. You sell products and hopefully you make a profit. Now, so how much money? Well, it really depends on how much you're willing to work. You can actually make a pretty decent amount of money. I've seen other YouTube videos where there are people making $10,000 a month, even more than that. But they also have a lot of inventory. They call those power sellers. They put tons and tons of inventory on. They source it from a cheaper source, and they're working in volume. Now I actually sell a little bit on eBay every now and then, and sometimes I go to thrift stores, sometimes I find it in stores, which is retail arbitrage. You get it on clearance, get the product on sale, and you sell it for more, whatever is the going rate on eBay. Now, how to start? Well, you create an eBay account, an eBay seller's account, and you pretty much follow the prompts. You can actually look at other YouTube videos because we're not going to fully walk you through on this video, but there are tons of videos on YouTube that will walk you through how to get started and how you can sell your first product. What I would recommend is see what's selling on eBay. What do you like personally? What kind of products are you interested in? Or is it clothing? Is it gadgets, technology? Whatever it is, focus on that. And if you're not 100% all in, try something that's around the house. Look around. You may find something that's old or something that you don't even use anymore. Go into the search on eBay, look it up, see if it's selling. Click the filter button and click on sold. That way you can see if it's selling or when the last product is sold. Now, my opinion, if there is a product that you're looking up that's selling recently, that day, the day before that, then I would recommend going after that product if you can get it at a cheap enough price. That's pretty much the name of the game. If you can get it cheap enough, you can make enough profit on it, go for it. Because this is not the losing money business. You don't want to lose money. It can happen, but you don't want to lose money. That's not your goal. Your goal is to make money here on it. It's a business you can do and make money in your sleep, basically, after you get everything listed. Pros. Now, the good thing about eBay is once you list it on the site or you have your product listed, you can potentially make money. You can wake up the next morning, that product could be sold and you have made money. That's a good thing because you're basically setting it up. It's kind of like passive income. You set it up in the beginning and down the road, you reap the benefits. You make money from it when you're not continually trading dollars for hours. Cons. eBay is not free. You have to pay eBay a percentage to use the platform. So if you bought a product or if you have products that you're barely making enough money to, break even, eBay fees are going to kill you. And then on top of that, you still have to ship it. So if you're not charging shipping, you're putting free shipping in your listing just to see if it sells better or trying to get more sales that way, you can potentially lose money. So what I would recommend is use your best judgment. You're going to have to price it just right Make sure you're making enough money. And once again, you can check YouTube, other sellers on there, what they recommend as far as percentages of, your margins, how much you should be making from each product, how many you're listing. It's kind of up to you. Tips for success. What I would recommend is you keep putting products on. What I would recommend is keep listing. The more you list, the more you are recommended to people that are looking for that product. I've noticed it because I've done it. I've put one product on, waited a while. I didn't get much traffic, but when I started putting on more and more products on a more frequent basis, I was selling a lot quicker. So I would definitely recommend you keep going out, you keep looking for products. Now, another tip I would say is look for thrift stores. Look for stores that are clearance, discounted, and don't pass items up. If you think it'll sell, look it up. Even if you don't, it may be a product that you see that's in the back somewhere. It's brand new. You can scan it right from the eBay app. You can check to see if you're making money. You never know. You pass up an item, it may be $50, $100 profit. So my recommendation, just keep looking up things. That way you get familiar. Especially if you're new to eBay, look up products. Just keep looking it up. Even if you're afraid somebody's gonna say, oh, hey, what are you doing in the store? Doesn't matter. You're still gonna buy products. That's why you're in the store, to buy things. So don't worry about other people's opinions. Just look up things, see if you're making money. And if it is making you money, if it has a potential, if it's selling, look at your sold items again. Buy it. List it. Heck, even if not, you can always put it on like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, sell it for a little bit less. There's tons of options what you can do with your merchandise, but just keep looking things up. Keep going to different places, going to different thrift stores, big box stores, retail. Check the clearance racks. You never know. You could actually make it big out here. I mean, you could be the next eBay seller making $10,000 a month with all your inventory. Now, just to recap, eBay, it's pretty much your own business. It's a great business that you can do in your own free time. Even if you have 30 minutes to an hour a day, make sure you're going out there looking at products. You just, you have a potential. It's kind of like in your hands how much you want to make. Guys, this is eBay. Another potential income source that you could have in your toolbox. You can do it whenever you want to, and it's not gonna take much time from you unless you get into full-time eBay. Then that could be your new source of income. But guys, thank you for tuning in. Please make sure you like the video, subscribe. I'm gonna have tons more of these coming. We are doing job reviews, uncommon careers, just careers that are not common at all. I really want to get a lot of these out. I want to make sure you are aware that there are other sources of, careers. There's other careers that you can have other than just the standard doctor, lawyer, go to school, be in debt. But guys, thank you once again, and you guys have a great day. Peace.